Hey everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright my people, so if you're new here, you are highly and most welcome. So in today's video we are going to be taking care of our hands. You know, the hands are actually the most exposed part of our body, especially your right arm is actually the most used part of your body because you literally use it for chores, for makeup, for washing, for laundry, for everything. Yeah, sometimes you might not even use your left but you use your right. So we are going to be taking care of our hands, okay, to remove all of those age related problems like fine lines on the fingers and on the hand. So if you want to see all of the full ingredients that I use for this, stay put and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share. And now let me take you right into this video. Now, to get rid of wrinkles from your hands and also from your fingers and have that young looking hands, you're going to be needing to use lemon. Yeah, now since lemon is citric in nature, it will also get rid of age related problems and it helps lighten up your skin. Okay, so you have to mix it up with a friendly ingredient, which is what we're going to do. So we're going to be cutting the lemon. I'm literally just mixing up ingredients, don't know why. So you're going to be removing all of the seeds and then you have to then squeeze in the juice into this. Now you're not going to be needing much, yeah, so it won't have to dry out your hands. And then also you're going to be needing to use green tea. Now green tea is a great and natural home remedy that is very perfect for a dry hand, a wrinkle hand and a fine line hands. Yeah, so it's gonna be very helpful to make your hands look really soft. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to be cutting this open and I'm going to be putting in the green tea into this bowl. And now I would have to give it a stir. Mix the green tea plus the little lemon juice that we have. And this is the outcome. And then again we're going to be needing to use another moisturizing remedy, which is honey. Now honey is a great remedy that stops your skin from drying out. It helps product to get into your skin and it's also a great remedy for a pigmented skin and a rough and dry skin. Okay, so because we put in just a little of lemon, so we're gonna be needing honey to supplement it and make your hands really soft. Okay, so we're gonna be putting about 1 tablespoon of honey into this great mix. And now we will be mixing it together. Okay, so we're gonna keep it aside for the green tea to induce. Yeah, and then again we're gonna be needing to use vitamin E oil. Now you can also use vitamin E capsule, or you can get vitamin E oil if you can, and it's actually very helpful. So vitamin E oil is essential for the skin. It increases the elasticity of the skin and it helps for a dry hand. So you're going to be putting a good amount of it, which is about 1 teaspoon. That is going to go round. Now after you put that, you mix it all up. And then again you're going to be needing to use another ingredient that contains the lactic acid, and it helps to maintain your skin freshness and it removes wrinkles and fine lines from your fingers. So we're gonna be needing a reasonable quantity of this, about 3 tablespoons of that will be perfect. So we are literally just using all of it, yeah. And then we would have to mix it and stir it all up. So the next ingredient, which is actually very important also here, is egg. Now egg is a remedy that firm up and tighten up the skin. So mixing it up here is going to help to remove all of the dryness, the roughness, the chaffness, and the wrinkles on the hands. Yeah. So what we're going to do is that we're going to be putting both the egg whites and the egg yolk. So after which we've put this together, we would have to be reaching out for a manual mixer to mix it up so that it's going to be properly mixed. Yeah, you can see how it is not properly mixed, and we're going to mix that up. So this is it, and this is how it looks like. Yeah, since the concentration is on the hands, look at my hands before. Yeah, and you have to grab this and you generously apply this onto your hands. Now if you're experiencing those dryness, those sharpness, and if you're seeing that your hands are not even with your body, you have a solution. Yeah, because this is going to help you. Now if you're done with your left hand, you use your left hand to apply it on your right hand, because you notice that most of the time your right hand is usually more darker than your left hand, and that is actually because your right hand actually does a lot of chores than the left hand. Okay, so do not forget to put it onto your palm also, so you spread it out. Now for this ingredient to work really fine, you have to apply it like this and wait for a little while. Yeah, you wait for a little while for this treatment to work. Yeah, after a little while, like 1 minute to 2 minutes, then you can start scrubbing. You start scrubbing from your fingers, down. And then you scrub your palm. Now do not forget to scrub your palm, guys, because this is actually going to help also to soften your palm, which is actually very, very important. If you're a lady, you know that is very important. You need your palm to get soft. Yeah, so you move on to your left hand, your right hand, sorry, using your left hand to do that. Okay, so after that is done, properly scrub, then you can actually go and wash it off. And for this treatment, guys, you can store it for just 1 day because of the egg in it. Okay, so I'll go wash it off and I'll be right back to show you my hands after. Okay guys, so this is how my hands is after, and it has actually helped a whole lot in lightening up my hands, and it also helps to remove all of those wrinkles. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do now is that I'm gonna be applying vitamin E oil onto your hands, yeah, to maintain that glow. You know that you've actually, just scrub out the dead skin cells, so you have to maintain an even tone and a fresher hand. So that's it, guys. Just scrub off your hands with this and scrub off all of those wrinkles and all of those fine line stuff, okay? And you are gonna be loving it. So go try this out and let me know how it is, because number one thing is gonna soften your hands and it's gonna make your hands look really beautiful. Okay, so that's it. I will see you soon in my next video, and don't forget to thumbs up the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share, and I will see you soon, guys. Bye and stay safe.